These companies are not playing with the glueless units. They be looking so good. So today, you guys, we are going to be doing a unit review on Nadula hair. This is a yaki bob unit. It is bob season. Super excited. And one thing I love about this unit as well, not only is it a drawstring and it also have a comb and it has this little grip thing, I also like that it has the scrap. A lot of like this little brush scrap here, a lot of companies, I don't know what's been going on, but they have not been including the scraps, like the adjustable straps. And baby, please do not take the adjustable strap off. So I like that this has the adjustable strap, so I'm gonna make it tighter. It has the drawstring and it also has this strap, so you are super secured on. And we're gonna go ahead and tighten the strap up a little bit. Well, all the way. I like my strap to be tightened. So now that the unit is nice and snug, I like the fact that it has a big comb in the back. So I'm gonna pull this over. The comb in the back is nice. It's a nice big comb. And I'm gonna pull it to the back. Look how it looks, y'all. I can't make this up. These companies are not playing with the glueless units. They be looking so good. Okay, now we're gonna take the drawstring and pull it even tighter. And all you do is pull it, guys. Sorry. Nice and tight. Make sure it's tight. Oh, it's really tight. I did that. So you don't have to worry about your wig falling off, sliding back. It's super secured. Nadula is gonna get you right, and it is their anniversary sale, so you guys make sure you check them out because they are having a sale for their, I think it's their 10th year anniversary. I'm not sure, but I know it's their anniversary sale, so make sure you guys check them out. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna go ahead and flat iron it and style it and make it like, you know, make it to my type of vibe. So but what I'm gonna do now is just hot comb the top. It's very important to hot comb your top. I always tell y'all that, super important to get that top super hot combed. Get you a nice hot comb. This was only $20. You can get it from Amazon. And make sure that you have a good hot comb so you can really get your hair to looking amazing, okay? I think I want to do a side part. I haven't did a side part in a bob unit in so long. So I think I want to do a side part today. This unit you can wear in so many different ways, y'all. So many different ways. Yeah, I think I want to do a nice little cute sleek side part action. I like that. I like my side part to be a little deeper. So what I'm going to do is just hot comb it. Spray some of my wax spray on it. Just so I can lay it down. I love that stuff. It really helps mold the hair. I always do. I did a middle part last time, so I want to show y'all how the side part action would look. This stuff. Look how beautiful that looks, y'all. Looks so natural. Now, me being me, I'll definitely cut a little bit of the hair because I don't really like it to fold on my neck. Let's see if I can cut a little bit of it off. Just so it can fit my Yeah, see, I like that length better. Still long, but it just look a little more cleaner. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of my hair. I feel like this reminds me of the 90s, like early 2000s, when everybody used to wear their wrap. So cute. Like when you wear your natural hair in the wrap, it is so adorable. This is how the hair looks after I straighten it. So it has a really natural consistency, texture, and I really love the way it looks. The lace is pretty nice. I still feel like it can be blended a little bit more, but it is nice. Let me add a little bit of powder on my forehead because I kind of removed some of that, so it looks a little dark up here. That is it for this review. Make sure you guys check out Nadula. Like I said, they are doing a sale for their big anniversary sale. It is their anniversary. Happy anniversary to Nadula hair. And yeah, this is the unit. I'll leave all the links to everything down below.